name is Lawanda Smith from Northeast Texas. I am the CEO of LTS Financial Services and a graduate of Dominique Brown's 30-day Credit Repair Agency program. I was watching YouTube late one night and came across Dominique. I was so intrigued I couldn't go back to sleep. From there, I joined YFS Academy and later the Credit Repair program. The thing I liked most about the program was its simplicity. I was new to credit repair, and Mr. Brown made the material easy to understand. We had modules to complete at the beginning of the week, and a then live stream class where we could ask questions at the end of the week. My life has completely changed. From what I have learned over the past 6 months, last night I was able to book a flight to Las Vegas for $11 using my bonus miles. I am so excited to begin reaching my goals and helping others in the process. To anyone who is on the fence about getting started with Dominique's 30-day credit repair program, I would encourage you to do today what others won't, to have tomorrow what others don't. Enroll today. Thanks, Dom.